Okay. This is at Typhoon and Tabo.
Tragedy hits Brakpan. Rider dies at flooded subway crossing. In the heart of Ekurhuleni, a suburb reeling from unpredictable weather, a community is grappling with tragedy. On a day marked by incessant rainfall, a motorist plying the roads of Brakpan faced nature's fury head-on. While trying to cross a subway bridge, which had been swallowed by floodwater, his sedan stood no chance against the immense force. This horrific incident, which occurred on February 26, has cast a long shadow over the city, leaving residents and authorities to reflect on the merciless unpredictability of nature. It was a decision that had bad consequences. The driver, embarking alone on what appeared to be a routine journey, encountered a rapidly flooding underpass. Eyewitnesses described the terrifying moment when the vehicle, which had hesitated for a moment on the edge of a cliff, was swallowed up by the floodwaters and disappeared under the murky water. The rapid response of Ekurhuleni emergency services, including the dedicated efforts of Brakpan and Springs fire stations and the Setipis Water Wing Unit, highlights the community's resilience and the relentless commitment of first responders. However, despite their swift action, the driver was pronounced dead at the scene, a reminder of the dangerous intersection between human vulnerability and the forces of nature. The tragedy underscores a pressing concern that has long haunted the region, an aging and often overwhelmed drainage system. Local residents have voiced their frustration, noting the subway is highly susceptible to flooding, even after moderate rainfall. This incident, caused by the system's inability to cope with heavy rain, required a re-evaluation of the resilience of the infrastructure. As communities mourn, attention is turning to city authorities and the importance of strengthening infrastructure that can withstand the challenges posed by climate change and urban development.
It's covered in ice.